Hello and welcome to our first spelling test that I'm giving you, and you're not watching on some other thing with some other lady. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the spelling test with her and that everything went well. It's wibbly wobbly, but it won't fall down. So welcome third grade to spelling test number 1. You've had a week to study, and we're going to go ahead and start now. So please pull out your pencil and paper. Please write your name. Please write 1 through 21 because you guys have 21 words today, all right? All right. I'll give you a little time to do that. Okay, let's begin. So if you haven't finished, that's okay. Just write them as we go. All right. So number 1, conscience. Number 1, conscience. Your conscience is a tool God uses to help you know when you are doing right or wrong things. Conscience. Number 2, gospel. The gospel is preached throughout the world. Gospel. Number 3, multiplication. We have learned our multiplication facts in 3rd grade. Multiplication. Number 4, swan. The swan swam beautifully in the sea. Swan. I know they don't really swim in the sea, but that's okay. Swan. Number 5, algebra. In the beginning of the year, you learned algebra. Algebra. Remember when I told you to go home and tell your parents you learned algebra? It's very exciting. Number 6, freckles. The girl had freckles on her nose. Freckles. Number 7, classic. Have you ever read the classic Moby Dick? Classic. Number 8, water. You should drink 8 glasses of water a day. Water. Number 9, patriot. A patriot is a person who loves their country. Patriot. Number 10, country. The country you were born in is where your citizenship is. Country. Number 11, economy. The economy is not doing well with the coronavirus shutdown. Economy. Number 12, America. We would pledge allegiance to America every morning at opening exercises. America. Number 13, science. In science, we are doing a project on animals. Science. Number 14, vertebrate. We studied about various types of vertebrate that live in the world. Vertebrate. My son. Number 15, picture. Have you seen a picture of my son? Picture. Number 16, amphibian. An amphibian is a double-lived animal who spends their childhood in the water and their adulthood on the land. Amphibian. Number 17, reward. The winner of the race received a reward. Reward. Number 18, ketchup. Do you like ketchup on your hot dog? Ketchup. Number 19, gasoline. We have to put gasoline in our car so it will keep running. Gasoline. Number 20, tickle. I had a hair that gave my nose a tickle. Tickle. And number 21, habits. Good habits are good to form. Habits. Okay? So now we're going to move on to dictation. So dictation number 1. Are you ready? All right, here we go. So dictations are a little longer, so I'm going to read them a couple times, okay? All right, in science, we saw pictures of vertebrates, amphibians, and a swan swimming in the water. In science, we saw pictures of vertebrates, amphibians, and a swan swimming in the water. All right, I'm going to read it one more time since this one is long. In science, we saw pictures. Sorry, let me start that again. In science, we saw pictures of vertebrates, amphibians, and a swan swimming in the water. All right, number 2 is much shorter, so I'm only going to do it twice, okay? Number 2, a patriot is an American who loves their country. A patriot is an American who loves their country. All right, bonus word for today. You guys used all my bonus words on like the list, so I have to think of one. How about Gettysburg? Bonus word for today is Gettysburg. All right, that is our test for today. Congratulations, test 1, and I will see you next week for test 2, okay? Bye-bye.